Good afternoon to one and all. My name is Mallikarjuna. I am a physics teacher. I completed my MSc in Yogi Vemana University, Kadapa. Today we discuss about information about physics. Physics is a branch of science which deals with the study of nature and natural phenomena. The word physics is derived from a Greek word physikos meaning nature. Father of modern physics, Albert Einstein. Next one is science. Science is a knowledge that is based on experiments, observations, and established on the truth. The word science is derived from a Latin word scientia meaning knowledge. Father of modern science, Galileo Galilei. Next one, science is divided into two main groups. One is physical science, another one is life science or biological science. Physical science is the study of non-living things. Life science or biological science is the study of living things. Physical science is divided into three subgroups. One is physics, another one is chemistry, another one is geology. Life science or biological science is divided into two subgroups. One is botany, another one is chemistry, another one is zoology. Chemistry is the study of composition and behavior of its matter. Father of modern chemistry, Antony Lavoisier. Geology is the study of planet Earth. Botany is the study of plants. Zoology is the study of animals.